Mike Gish with MarineMax, Maryland. Today we are on the 2019 Azimut 55 Fly. Going to start at the back of the boat. Nice hydraulic swim platform, full teak finish, including a dedicated entrance to the crew quarters. Crew quarter is fully furnished with some storage, nice berth, head, and AC and heat. Walking forward to the port side of the boat, you can see a couple of steps up into the very spacious rear cockpit. Seating for 6, nice table, great finishes throughout, and again, full teak flooring all throughout. You'll come up to one of the largest bridges in the 55 class. Full helm, electronics, radar, GPS, including joystick docking, both bow and stern thrusters. Entertainment space, cooktop grill, pull-out refrigerator door. Again, being an Italian, being an Azimut boat, being a lot about luxury, you're going to see the theme throughout the entire boat of all the very nice high-end finishes, from the furniture that's here on the bridge to the tabletops to, again, the teak and wood finishes throughout. Large sofa seating spaces in the aft of this if you do want to get some sun. If you want to get out of the sun, you've had too much for the afternoon, there's this great hardtop that does cover the forward part of the bridge. It also does have the retractable soft top roof. So if the captain wants to catch a few rays while he's running the boat to the next port, that's also an option for you. Large seating off to the starboard side. Nice lounging space. Yet you're still protected by the windshield. Climbing back downstairs, we'll go to the nice entrance into the 55 Fly. Something unique to this boat is going to be the large opening glass windows here in the back. This piece actually slides down and the door fully opens to the starboard side, giving you a lot of that indoor-outdoor feeling, a lot of that extra space that people really look for when you're entertaining. Great size galley with a full refrigerator as well as freezer. Hidden away behind the nice wood paneling. Cooktop, sink with hot and cold water, lots of storage, microwave convection oven. Another nice feature that Azimut did on the 55 is putting the electrical panel right inside the door when you walk in. First walk on the boat, it's very simple, easy to turn everything on, fire up the lights, get everything going when you first get there. Again, nice large, lots of room, solid wood floors throughout. As we move towards the salon, see we have great seating again. Room for 6-8 people. Television entertainment system does drop down below so it doesn't ruin your views, but of course if you want to catch up on the latest news or watch a movie, you have that availability. Again, going throughout, looking at the furniture, very Azimut, very Italian by design. You can see it almost looks like it's floating above the floor, the way they've actually designed this and built it into the boat. As we move towards the lower helm, you're going to see a lot of things repeated from the upper helm. Full electronics, radar, GPS, autopilot, joystick docking controls that incorporate the bow and stern thrusters. This boat does have the MAN 800 horsepower motors in it as well. We've also opted to go with the Seakeeper. If you haven't experienced one, it is certainly something you need to go out and try. Moving from the lower helm and main salon area, we're going to work our way down to the staterooms. Nice wide walkway, easy to get down even if the weather was a little bit rough. And we will work towards the full beam master stateroom. Again, I can't touch on it enough, but moving with what Azimut does with the Italian design, everything you see in here is very purposefully designed, has a lot of unique features and clues that are only specific to the Azimut. Full beam master, light on both sides, custom design lights. This one you do have the hidden television that comes in from behind the mirror. Again, very unique, very different compared to other things you're going to find on other models and other boats. Opening port lights on either side, so if you are on the anchor and want to get a little bit of breeze through the main master salon, that's an option for you. large storage here. Nice pull-out drawers. And again, full hanging locker. You are going to also have a washer and dryer in the master stateroom. So with the master stateroom head, you do get a completely separate shower stall, separate from your standard sink and toilet. So we work our way forward. We'll work to the VIP stateroom in the V berth of this boat. Full queen island size bed, easy to get on, easy to get off, easy to make in the morning. Again, great storage on either side. You're going to have hanging lockers both port and aft. Of course, you're going to have a television with a Bose soundbar system as well. Again, great light throughout, opening port lights to get that extra breeze if you don't want to have the generator running and the heat and AC going. Moving towards the VIP head, it also doubles as the day head for this boat. You still have a separate shower stall, toilet, and sink. Everything you're going to need. Being a 55-foot boat, we do have a third stateroom. It is currently set up in the twin bunk configuration, but it can also be converted into a queen depending upon who's staying there and what kind of space you need. Again, nice opening port light and large storage locker in there as well. One more great feature about this Azimut 55 Fly is the bow pit on it. Nice wide walkways going forward, very easy to access, and of course it's going to have the teak going all the way forward here. So once we get up here, you'll notice the large sun pad area. The backrests do come up to convert to make chaise lounges. You're going to have cup holders, and again, probably in my opinion, the best seat of the house with the view forward and the breeze in your hair. So again, 2019 Azimut 55 Fly here with MarineMax Baltimore, Mike Gish. Please give us a call, come check it out, get us set up to take you on a demo ride. I guarantee you're going to love the Italian design and style.